Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the language settings in your CapCut PC. So here I've already opened my CapCut PC and the language in my CapCut PC currently is on English, and I want to change it into another language. And here, if you want to do the same, just follow this step. So go to settings at the top. Click on settings, and here wait until the settings menu pop up like this, and you'll see the language tab. Click on that. You can see there are lots of languages options that you can select it for your CapCut PC. For example, I'm going to go with Bahasa Indonesia here. Click on the language and click on save. After that, CapCut PC will restart. So you can just click on restart button in here and just wait until the CapCut PC is opened again. So you can see it's still load. Okay, so now the CapCut PC is open. You can see this language has been changed into the language that I selected before. So pretty easy. So it will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.